Welcome to Facts Know-How. Today we are going to learn some facts about Python programming language. So let's get started with our introduction. Python is a popular, high-level and interpreted programming language that is widely used for various purposes such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and more. It is known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced programmers. Some of the key features of Python include dynamic typing. Python dynamically assigns data types to variable, making it easier to write and debug code. Object-oriented programming. Python supports object-oriented programming, which helps to organize and structure code. Large standard library. Python has a large standard library, including modules for various tasks such as regular expression, unit testing, web service, and more. Interactivity. Python provides an interactive shell which makes it easy to try out small bits of code and experiment with the language. To get started with Python, you can install it on your computer and write your first program using a simple text editor. A common first program in Python is the Hello World, which outputs the text Hello World to the screen. In conclusion, Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that is easy to learn and use, making it a great choice for anyone looking to start their programming journey.
Here are 8 interesting facts about the Python programming language. First, Python was created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum as a hobby project. But it quickly grew in popularity and now one of the most widely used programming language in the world. Second, the name Python was inspired by the British comedy group Monty Python, not the snake. Third, Python is an interpreted language, meaning that code written in Python is executed line by line rather than being compiled into machine code like in other languages. Fourth, Python is known for its readability and simplicity, making it a great choice for beginner and a popular choice for school teaching programming. Fifth, Python has a large and active community of developers and users who contribute to its growth and development, and there are many libraries and frameworks available for various tasks. 6. Python is widely used in the field of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence due to its ease of use, powerful libraries and frameworks, and large community. 7. Many popular websites and apps such as Google, YouTube, Dropbox, and Reddit use Python as part of their tech stack. 8. Python is an open source programming language, which means that its source code is available for anyone to use, modify, or distribute for free. Thank you for watching this fact video.